today have a very special dish, right? It's gonna taste delicious. All right, guys, guess what? Guess. All right. I'm gonna make today penne a la vodka with shrimp. All right, guys. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. That's what I need to do this dish, guys. All right. Sometimes people look this, oh my God, it's so complicated. It's not complicated, it's very easy, right? So I'm gonna make also garlic bread. It's right here, all right? So I'm gonna start with my pureed tomato, all right? And I have here 1.5 pounds, right? It's very good if you find any supermarket, all right? Also, you can make your own tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. But I did not want to do fresh tomatoes right now. Maybe next time, all right? So here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, black pepper, guys, I love it. So I have here 5 cloves of garlic. All right, it's called finely chopped. All right, here I have a half stick of butter, all right, to give that good flavor. All right, guys, here I have half sweet onions. All right, here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have here 1.5 cup of half cream, all right, to give that good flavor. All right, so I have here a half cup of Parmesan cheese. All right, so I have here a half cup of vodka. All right, all right, I have here 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. All right, very good, guys. This is for the penne a la vodka. All right, so now for the shrimp. For the shrimp, I have 1 pound of shrimp, a regular shrimp. Doesn't have to be small. You guys do whatever you want, any size you want. I have this size here. All right, so after that, I have here a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have here 2 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. All right, guys. All right, so for the bread, I have 1 loaf of Italian bread. I have 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and I have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. All right, garlic powder, guys. And I have here 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning to give that good flavor. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start this with my penne pasta. All right, get that one. All right, my water is already preheated. All right, it's boiling. All right, let me put my pasta there. Very good. All right, stir a little bit. All right, guys, my next step, I'm gonna go with my shrimp. All right, guys, first I'm gonna need my olive oil. All right, bingo. Very good. Oil is ready, so I'm gonna put my garlic. Very good. All right, very good. Stir a little bit. Looking good. It's looking good, guys. All right, now my next step is gonna be my salt and my black pepper. All right, very good. Bingo. All right, guys, let's stir a little bit. When it's a little gold, when it starts to get gold, and that's when I put my shrimp. Okay, guys, so now it's time for my shrimp. Very good. All right, looking good. Now let's cook this shrimp, right? Doesn't take long to cook the shrimp. Like 5 minutes. Okay, guys, my shrimp is ready. So now what we're gonna do is you can take the leftover of the oil, the sauce, and everything. You just take it out. You're not gonna use this, right? This is, you can just put in the garbage. All right. Very good. Looking good. All right, guys. So now reserve. I'm gonna put here for later. All right. For later. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's do the preparation. All right. The Penne vodka. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my butter. All right. Very good. Very good, guys. All right. Very good. Let's melt this butter. All right, guys. My pasta is ready. All right. Pasta is ready, so I have to drain this. All right. So now I'm going to start with the butter. All right. I put my butter there already, so it's melt. All right. So I'm going to start this with my garlic. All right. All right. Very good. Garlic. After the garlic, I'm gonna put my red pepper. Alright, guys. Alright. Very good. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, you guys can see that. Alright, soon it's gonna be that color, the gold color. Alright, but before that, I'm gonna put now my onions, right? Sweet onions. Very good. It's looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, guys. My onions ready, my garlic, everything's ready here. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Alright, so now my next step is gonna be my tomatoes. Alright. Very good. Tomatoes looks very good. All right. So my next step is gonna be with my cream. All right. Pour it slowly. All right, and you have to stir it as you pour. Very good. It's looking good, guys. The color is coming together. All right, very good. It's looking good. All right, so stir a bit. Very good. All right. Love the color. The color is coming together, guys. All right, the color is coming together. So now my next step, it's gonna be my black pepper. All right, very good. After that, I'm gonna put my vodka. All right. Woo, all right, very good. Looking good. Mix it up a little bit slowly so it doesn't splash. Alright, guys, so slowly. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Right? You have to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, but before that, I'm gonna put my salt and my oregano. Alright. Very good, guys. Alright. Now it's gonna cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Alright? Alright, guys. My sauce is cooking. It's getting ready. Alright, it's almost ready. Meantime, I'm gonna do my garlic bread. Right? So what you guys are gonna do is, right, you guys can use bread, you guys can use butter. I use Smart Balance. How about you guys use whatever you want? it is. Don't be afraid. Alright guys? So don't be afraid guys to put a lot of butter, right? You have to put a lot of butter. So make it look good and tasty. Alright? Very good. Right. Right guys? The bread is almost ready to go to the oven. It's looking good. Alright, very good guys. Anyway, so guys, now I'm gonna start this with my garlic. Alright, my garlic guys. So everywhere I have 2 teaspoons of garlic. Alright, the color is coming together. Alright, very good. Alright. It's gonna taste so delicious. My mouth is already hungry. Alright guys, now my Parmesan cheese. Alright. Very good. It's looking good. Alright, my last step. Italian season. Alright guys, yes, it's plenty everywhere. And look how beautiful. Alright, very good. It's looking good. Alright, that's it. Alright, my stove is preheat for 350, but you guys have to pay attention. This cook very fast. Alright, very fast. Alright, very good. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, my sauce is ready. Alright, my pasta is ready, but my bread is still cooking. Alright, so I have to check very shortly my bread. Let me check now, because it's almost ready too. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix. Together. Very good. It's looking good guys. You guys can take a look. See that? Very good. Alright. So now I'm waiting for my bread. Alright, to get ready. It's almost ready, and I see you very shortly. Alright guys! Yes. Very good! Alright guys, it not took long to make this dish. Alright, this is my final. Alright, it looks good. Very good guys. Alright, so now, don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's go. Now I'm gonna try, I'm gonna let you know, alright, how it is. I'll let you know. Very good guys. Guys, that's what I call Penne with shrimp, right? Tastes delicious, delicious guys. Melt in my mouth. Delicious, delicious guys. Now I'm gonna try the bread. Let you know. Let it crunch. Right. Excuse me. But it's delicious. Very good guys. I'm gonna take another bite. you use this with Parmesan cheese. Now I'm putting my Parmesan cheese to bring better flavor, right? Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.